We need to replace the wiper on the rear of this GMC Acadia here. Nut right here was quite tight. You can get it loose now. All right, so we have to get this windshield wiper off the back here that's stuck. It's got a knot on there. Took the knot off. You don't want to pry on the surface here to get it off. So we're going to use our 2-jaw puller to get this thing off of here. Now this is just a small one, but we should have enough one here to pop this thing loose. Maybe. It's not moving yet. I might have to heat this thing up a little bit. Nuts loose. I've already soaked it with some lube there. But no, there it goes. I got it. That's our 2-jaw puller right there. Did the job. Now I can go ahead and put this other wiper back on here. It's crazy, you know, if you tried to pry on this, you're gonna end up denting your rear here. This doesn't just work for this. This little puller's heavy duty. I use it for all kinds of small stuff that you need a 2-jaw puller for. Little hose here. And we're just gonna pop the other one back in here and tighten it down. Let's tuck our hose up in here onto the edge of this cap. There we go. Yeah, cool. It works. Even the washer works on it, so that's cool.